Okay, come on. Ready, get set, go!
Hello, we are the MathBL group. Welcome to our project. We will tell you today how to solve inequalities and equations, starting with the student Qusay Al-Habi.
What are inequalities? An equality is like an equation that uses the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Where an equation uses the symbol is equal to. For example, x is less than, x is greater than 2, x is less than 9, x is greater than or equal to 5, x is less than or equal to 5.
But that was the easiest side. We will review now with you the harder side.
The harder side is this. 5x is greater than or equal to 15. Now we're going to show you how to solve this kind of inequality. Okay, we all know the order of operation. That one here, there. We start with parentheses and etc. But in solving an inequality, we start with addition or subtraction, then multiplication or division, then exponent, and the last thing is parentheses, like this one here. In English, we just reverse the rule.
Now we're going to show you some problems and solve them with the student Nawaf Al-Sayr.
Hello and welcome. I will solve this inequality with you. 5x minus 9 greater than or equal to 41. We add 9 in both sides. That will be equal to 5x greater than or equal to 50. We divide 5 in both sides. It will be equal to x greater than or equal to 10. Then we graph. We put a filled circle because it's greater than or equal. Then we go to the right because it's open to the variable. Then we solve another inequality. Minus 10x equals 90 greater than or equal to 410. We add 90 in both sides. It will equal to 10x greater than or equal to 500. We divide minus 10 and minus 10 in both sides. But, not if we will multiply or divide with negative number, we reverse the sign like this. X greater than or equal to minus 50. Then we graph. We put a filled circle because it's like here, it's greater than or equal. Then we go to the left because it's close to the variable.
Now, equations with the student Talal Ashur.
Hello. In mathematics, an equation is an equality containing one or more variables. Solving the equation consists of determining which values of the variables make the equality true. We will concentrate in the variable equations like this one. 3 minus x equals 1. We know that this equation can be solved mentally, but sometimes you will get something like this. 989 minus y plus 639 equals 782. Yeah, somewhat hard.
Now we'll solve some equations with the student Khalid Amar.
So here we will 5 minus y plus 6 equals 7. First we minus 5 minus 5. Minus 6 minus 6 equals 5 minus y equals 1. So again we minus 5 minus 5, y equals negative 4. So the answer is y equals negative 4. Now we will check our solution. Check. 5 minus 4 plus 6 does it equal to 7? First we minus 5 and 4. It will equal 1 plus 6 equals 7. So we plus 1 and 6, it will equal 7. So 7, it's correct. Now 6x divided by 2 equals 24. First we divide by 6, divide by 6. X divided by 2 equals 24. X divided by 2 equals 4. multiply by 2, multiply by 2, x equals 8. We will check our solution. 8 divided by 2 equals, does it equal to 24? 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. So 24, 24.
Thank you for listening. We are the Math Video Group. We are Nawaf Sghair, Khalid Ramran, Talal Ashur, and Qusay Al-Harbi. And goodbye.
What's your name?
Abdurrahman Saeed.
Okay, come in, guys. Okay, this way. Science group.
First of all, thank you. Okay. Now, don't recite your lesson. Okay. We're not here to recite a lesson. We are here to capture the attention of the audience and get them interested in a usually dull subject matter, which is mathematics. Very few people worldwide enjoy mathematics, okay? We want to change this attitude and idea. Now, I want to congratulate Ashur and Abdurrahman. Why? Because Ashur and Abdurrahman behaved as presenters. They have a message to convey and they did it beautifully. How can we tell? Because of the tone and intonation. Tone is how you go up and down with the word, and intonation with the whole sentence. For instance, I can say, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? See the difference between both? So all of you should adopt the second one, not the first one. Put life into what you're saying. Some of you are about to cry, okay? Relax, huh? It's not the end of the world. You are on stage and we are staring at you. Train yourself in front of the mirror in your bedroom. Your parents might think that you have gone bananas, but don't worry about that, okay? In front of your mirror, practice smiling. Practice relaxing. Practice slowing down. No, you want to get it off your shoulders and relax. No, okay? Enjoy what you're doing. To do that, you need to what? To rehearse and practice. And as I've mentioned to the team before you, don't learn it by heart. And Mr. Naqur drew my attention, this is mathematics. You are solving it. Don't memorize it. So if we switch a number, you will become confused. You explain it to us. Now we divide by 5. We divide by 10. And the result, it's equal. If you forget to say it's equal, you can say the result is okay. So relax and practice more at home. What else? Here I wrote explain, don't memorize. You have the equation. Explain it to us. You don't have to memorize it verbatim and throw it at us. Take it one step at a time. Enjoy what you're doing so that the audience will enjoy watching you. Thank you very much. You were great, okay? Thanks a lot.